Oof, this lighting. It's not good. Howdy, y'all. Welcome to my I have 11 minutes left on this. I have to buy a new SD card. That's what we have to do today. That's what we need to do. Hi everyone, my name is yasminebateman and welcome back to my channel. So everyone, today's Friday and we are going to have a very freaking exciting weekend ahead of us, because guess what is happening? I'm having a meet and greet. I'm having one on Sunday at the store called the Impeccable Pig in Lenox Square, and it's gonna be a grand old time. However, look at me. That's all I have to say. We have some preparation to do, people, because I just can't be meeting you guys looking horrendous. Just, my nails are not done, my roots are, they are expired. My face, I'm pale as a ghost. I don't have an outfit, I have nothing right now, and I'm just not prepared to meet you guys at all because I want to meet you looking my absolute best. Right now I'm looking my absolute worst, so we need to fix this, we need to get things done. So I just left my school and I'm currently on the way to go get these hoes done because they're just unacceptable right now. I'm going to get them some acrylics because I'm who I am and I need to have my nails done to make myself feel better about myself. So that's what we are doing. And I don't know what we're doing for the rest of the day, so I can't have a really prepared intro for you, but as of now, that is what we are doing. And that is what we are doing. Welcome to this very exciting weekend! Yeah! Honestly, so nervous. I'm masking my fears away right now by talking to you because I'm very scared, honestly. I really feel like no one's gonna come. This is gonna be a disaster. I'm gonna spend all this money preparing to meet you guys and no one is going to come. Ooh, it's so windy. I just stopped at Target and got some kombucha. I would just like to say that today is a big moment in my life. I switched up the game. Please look. Oh my god. I'm like so shook. This is the longest I've ever gotten nails and they're like coffin. I feel like an Instagram baddie right now. I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone and I can't stop talking with my hands because I'm just, you know that feeling. Anyways, oh my freaking god. I like love them. Just left Best Buy, got the SD card. I've been needing a new SD card for literally so long, so I finally got the guts to go get one. I've been putting it off. I've just kept on erasing my other one. It was just storage for some reason. I will just never have it no matter how many times I try to delete everything off my computer. It just never stops. I literally go on my computer and I clear out the entire thing like every single day. Like I delete literally everything. There's nothing left on my computer. Every single day I get the same message. There is no storage. I'm like, what else can you take from me, Apple? You have everything. I literally give you my life. I delete everything on my computer. I have nothing left of me. There's absolutely nothing left of me. What else could you possibly want? Anyways, I'm on my way home now. Me and Chandler are gonna go shopping because I need an outfit for Sunday because I don't have an outfit. I have no clothes. Hey, I just got home. I'm on the new SD card. Okay. Just want to show you guys my outfit. I'm not changing. I'm wearing this jacket. It's from IMGA. Actually, I got it from Urban Outfitters, but it's IMGA. Wearing my Lululemon leggings and my Nike Air Force Ones that are fresh and clean right now. I'm really happy about it. I don't know if we're doing this tonight or if we're doing this tomorrow, but Loving Tan sent me all of this stuff and I'm so excited. Look at all this. So I'm using this so that I can be nice and tan for you guys. I don't know if I'm doing this tonight or tomorrow because I don't feel like exfoliating myself. So yeah, that's the plan. Chandler's here.
Hi everyone. The bed. You can keep your lickies jumping on the bed. Got the candy pressure with the.
Oops.
Mother.
So I haven't found anything. I'm scared. I tried on all of the stuff because I just don't know what I like and good morning. Hello everyone. Today is Saturday. It is currently 8:30 a.m. and we are on our way to go get some coffee at Dancing Goats and then we are going to head to my hair salon. Chandler is with me. He is driving my car today and my roots are out, so I'm so ready to have this fixed because it's nasty. So yeah, I'm excited to get my hair done because I get really tired of my hair after a while and now it's like starting to get like dull and I just want the blonde lightened up. I don't really know what I'm doing to my hair, but we'll see. We here, boys. suck. This is Taylor, everyone. She's doing my hair. Do you want to say your Instagram and everything?
Yeah, at taylorniele.hair. TAYLORNIELE.hair.
So I'll put it in the description so you guys can go check her out. She's amazing. The salon is called Salon 124 Sugarloaf.
Yeah.
So you guys need to come check her out because she's amazing and I can't wait to see what my hair's gonna look like.
Yeah, bye.
Looks so good. She did such a good job. I love it so much. I'm so glad that I got this fixed because it needed to be fixed and now my hair is done. So we got 2 things done off the list, guys. The nails, the hair. I still have to get an outfit, so I think whenever Chandler gets here, we're gonna go try to find my outfit for tomorrow. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, so I'm really scared. But I love my hair. I'm so happy. Yay! We're here at this like shopping mall. We're going to Urban Outfitters first and then some other stores. I don't really know, but I'm gonna try to find this outfit. Update for you guys. I still haven't found an outfit for this meet and greet. And the meet and greet is tomorrow. Wish me luck, people. Hey guys, I look crazy. Excuse the look, I just got out of the shower. And now I have to use my Loving Tan stuff because I still haven't done my self-tanner and it's 10:30. So I'm gonna be up till like 1 o'clock in the morning tonight self-tanning because I have to put this on and then I have to rinse it off right afterwards after 2 hours because this is a 2-hour express that I'm gonna use. Let's do this. Oh. Let's tan. Okay, so I just finished putting the fake tanner on and so now I have to wait 2 hours. I'm so scared. Good morning. Oh my god, today is the day. I'm like so tan. Oh my god. It works! I did it right! So it's 8 o'clock right now. I had to set an alarm to wake up because I didn't go to sleep till like 1 a.m. yesterday. I'm currently sitting on Chandler's floor. I just plugged in my curling iron and I'm gonna do some like big waves. Okay, well we just left Chandler's house and now we are going to pick up Elizabeth. I didn't put any makeup on because I want my makeup to be fresh and clean. So fresh and so clean. So after I get my outfit, then I'm gonna just put my makeup on in the car. We're gonna go get Dancing Goats, the usual, you know. And then we're gonna go to shop to go get me my outfit because I still don't have one. Yeah, I know I waited till last minute. I know you guys are all roasting me, but you know, it's okay because I like to live my life that way. I like to wait till last minute to do everything. Hi! It's a meet and greet day! Are you excited? Yes.
Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Dude, oh my god.
I cannot believe this is real life. You made it.
My baby's here. I got the dream team with me. We're at my favorite place in the whole world. Coffee bagel time. Yeah.
Bagels in town.
Ooh.
My jelly bagel. I'm not like the other girls. Let's go shopping.
Oh my god, there's the place
is,
my meet and greet's gonna be. I'm trying to figure out if I want to wear like jeans and a cute top or if I want to wear like a dress. Not a dress, but like I don't really know. Okay, so we left the mall and now we're going to the Avalon, which is what we went to yesterday, but we had to leave because we had to go to my dad's. Okay, I don't even need to explain myself. Anyways, we're leaving.
Operation Find the Perfect Pair of
Yeah,
Jeans.
we did not find anything at this mall, and that's because we only went to Urban Outfitters. But that's only where I shop, so we have to leave now, and we're gonna go to Avalon, and they have more stores there that I like am okay with, I guess. And so they had these jeans yesterday that fit me, and they were Levi's, and I really liked the wash, and I was about to get them, but then my dad called me and told me that I had to come home, so I didn't get to get them yesterday. But hopefully they still have them today, because if they do, then I can get them. Spot number 2 with the dream team.
We're on a mission.
We're on a mission. We're going to Urban now. Some other stores.
Like
it's
Vineyard
freezing today.
You literally do this in every vlog.
You can go faster.
Okay, we're leaving now. I didn't really find any cute tops, so I'm just gonna wear a top that I got from Princess Polly, but I just bought a pair of jeans to wear with it because I don't really like any of my pants. So now I'm gonna do my makeup in the car while we're driving back to Lenox. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quickly and then put my outfit on, and then that's gonna conclude the glow up. So Let's hope I look better after this. Okay, we just beat our faces. Faces are beat. Now we still have to put our outfits on, and then we will be arriving. We're gonna get there at like 2:52, and I'm gonna probably go in at like 3:45 because it starts at 4, so. Oh my God. Oh, we're back.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Elizabeth just got changed back here in our outfits. Oh my God, I'm so nervous, guys. I have my outfit on. I'm just wearing this red. I'll just show you guys whenever I get out, but it's happening. We're here. We did it. It's been stressful. Oh my God.
Say you're
Coffee.
Here, hold it. Yeah, actually, no, yeah.
Say you're walking in.
Don't forget your phone.
I know. Oh my God. Get both of our outfits. Top is from Princess Polly. I know it's way too cropped. Jeans are from Urban Outfitters, and then my platform Doc Martens, and then jewelry is from Princess Polly and Impeccable Pig.
Forever 21, Princess Polly, and wherever my mom got my pants.
Your head on my shoulder.
Yasmin's doing amazing. Oh shoot, this is Zoom in.
This is Annabelle. I love it. Sydney and Mona came. Oh my God. It's kind of like calming down right now. It's about like 5. I don't know what time it is.
There were a lot of people here. It was very successful.
It was crazy. Like, I'm so freaking happy that you guys came. It's been insane. It's like 5:30, so it's like calming down now. Not that many people are coming now. We're kind of just all chilling. And have my biggest supporters right here. My mom and my dad and my brother also came. And all the workers here are amazing. Everyone here is just so amazing. It was just the best experience ever, you guys. I'm so happy that I did this. I didn't have any idea how many people would actually come and like how many people actually like wanted to meet me, which was crazy. But you guys came, and it was
so extremely proud of Yasmin.
It was just so crazy. And some of you guys brought me little gifts, and it was just the sweetest thing ever, and I'm just so happy. Oh my God. That is it.
The ending?
Yes.
No!
Yes. Okay, ready? So thank you guys so much for watching this video.
Subscribe to Yasmin.
And subscribe to Annabelle, and go follow Elizabeth, and go follow Chandler. I don't know where he went. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching. Stick around a little bit more often.
Okay, so subscribe.
Can I do it?
Yes. Bye.